In this one, I am trying to use favorite tool of choice right now for a lot of people, ChatGPT, to help me create a deck. Yeah, a PowerPoint. And the idea is that looking at a lot of the content that I use on a day to day, when I'm going to teach it, I can teach it without a problem. I can have notes. But a lot of people like to learn from slides to see something. So like a webinar style, a webinar that look at you. So what I'm gonna be doing is that they told me that there's a new feature in ChatGPT that allow you to actually create slides. So let's dive into it. So the first thing is that normally your ChatGPT will be in version 3.5. That is the most common. But we need to switch it to 4. We're gonna click Code Interpreter. If you don't see the Code Interpreter in here, what you have to do is you go into your name and you go into Settings and Beta, and you go into Beta Features and you enable the Code Interpreter. After that, do a refresh. So like refresh your browser and click Code Interpreter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste the article or the material that I wanna use to create the slide. So let me just go in here, select, I have my document in a Word doc. So let me copy it. And what I'm gonna go and say, I want your help to create a master class PowerPoint deck with the following information. Make add bullets or additional information to each slide as it may be needed. Okay, and now I'm gonna paste the article and I'm gonna hit enter. So what this is doing is that, let's go to the, so it's creating. So it's now bringing so I can create the slide. So I have the document, all the material that I want to talk to, and now it's creating all the different slides. So let's see how this goes. Okay, can you create the PowerPoint? So now this is actually creating a full PowerPoint file on the background, so I can just download it, and all that I have to do is just add on my branding. So let's see. You always need to have some coffee with you when you work. It actually thought that it made a mistake, so it's fixing itself. That's cool. So right there, I thought of the idea, and what I'm leveraging ChatGPT is like an assistant, someone that can help me create in a better way, so my content will be created faster and in a better way. I love thinking about how to put the different images and different things, but to actually go slide by slide and actually creating those slides, actually a painful task. So you can, after you see that this worked, you can leave this working on another window and you can keep working on something else. Okay, so now it gave me a download. So I'm gonna save this. Let me put on my downloads folder. And now let's open PowerPoint. Voila, a full presentation with the bullets and all the information that was discussed. So as you can see, all that I have to do is format this deck whatever branding I have. And there's a ton of videos that show you how you can have your branding and just import a slide so you can automatically, you don't have to copy the content. You can just literally just click insert. You can go into the layout and you can import or change your layout. You can here add sections. So these are regular slides. So you see, you can use it. And if you want to use this same one, just click design. You're gonna click on this green one right here, slide, and all that I have to do is just modify it a little bit. So this took me under 5 minutes to actually do the whole thing. So my friends, there you have it, how you can create your slides for your presentation or Facebook Live. And if you haven't seen the video that I did yesterday about how to create your Facebook Live script, go and check that video out. I'm gonna put a link on the description so you can actually see that video. And then what you could do is that now you learn how to create the Facebook Live script. Now you can create your slides so you can teach it to your audience. My friends, we'll see you on our next episode.